How to create Weibo account. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up any web browser that you prefer in your laptop or desktop. And on the search URL, type in Weibo sign up. After that, head over to the first link on the search results. Now you will get to the official web page of Weibo to sign up. Now if you don't understand this Chinese language, you can switch to English language from this Google Translator. After that, navigate to sign up page. Now, to register for personal account, first of all, you have to enter your email. Make sure you enter your correct email that you have access to currently. Or if you like to use your mobile number, you can use mobile number as well. Under that, create a password. Make sure you create a password which is at least 6 to 6 numbers and letters, symbols, a combination, and it must be case sensitive. Under that, you have to enter your birth year, or that's date of birth. So first of all, enter your year, and next to that, you have to enter your birth month and your birth date. Under that, you have to type in the verification code as displayed right here. Now once you're done filling this form, click on sign up now. After that, you will have an account in Weibo. Or if you like to go through the official registration, you can go that as well by clicking on this option right here. Follow some instructions and then you will be registered in Weibo. So that's how you can create an account in Weibo, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.